You got longer arms than me. Can you pull that, Phil? I got short midget arms. Now I'm gonna cut a small piece. That should do it.
Oh,
Boom.
some good scissors.
Right? Do this in the pouring rain just because, you know, showing up is the Fraser way. Atlanta, we are a city surrounded by trees. So we took underneath. That hole's covered up. We got RJ down there talking with the homeowner, letting him know the process, smoothing things over. And we're gonna get this guy sealed up before this hurricane hits us. Perfect. Boom. Beautiful. Out of here and on to the next one. Hey man, happy to help. I'll write you an estimate and get it quoted up for you. What I'll do is I'll take the shingles off, replace the 7/16 OSB with new. Okay. I'll put some synthetic felt back down and new weatherwood shingles back in. Okay? You'll have the estimate tonight. Give me till like 3 o'clock in the morning to get out to you because I'm gonna probably be on these roofs till about 3 a.m.
Well, it's a pleasure to meet you, sir.
Yeah,
Best of luck with anything.
Thank you, sir.
If there is any issues, don't be afraid to call him again.
Okay.
Alrighty.
See you guys.
Thank you.